Child, I done did a whole wig review on this wig before. Hey Weezettes, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. Oh, but first, let me tell you about this little doobie on my head, because I know you're going to ask. It is from Outre's Melted Hairline, and her name is Lucianne. She does come in 7 specialty colors. She is 22 inches, and I got her in the DR Copper Orange. So I will leave a link to her review right up here for you. Now, back to the business at hand. This is Outre's Melted Hairline. Her name is Karmina, and she is a blast from the past, y'all. I did do a review on this unit before, but y'all, she is so nice, we're gonna do it twice. Let's go.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a who's supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, then I'd have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your world.
Hey guys. Okay, let's talk about this really quick. I feel like I've done this before. It just reminds me of so many other wigs. This wig reminds me of a shorter Karmina, but this is Karmina. She is by Outre. She's from the Melted Hairline. She's 20 inches long. She has HD transparent lace. She comes in 7 different specialty colors. I have her in the DRFF2 brown sugar on this one. Child, I done did a whole wig review on this wig before. I did it in 2 colors. This was one of the colors. So I did review this like almost 2 years ago. So I don't feel like I need to reinvent the whole wheel. I will leave a link to that review up here just so you can check it out if you want to, so that you can see the other color. It's very similar to this one. I did go in and I plucked, as you guys saw on this unit. This is how much I did pluck out altogether. I did contour it to my ears, and this is how much that I cut off of both sides. This, guys, is what the lace was looking like that I cut off. So this is how it was looking before I put any of my foundation or anything on it. Flyaways, I will tell y'all, it was an issue back then, and as you can tell, still an issue. However, I did something different to the wig back then than I did to this one, so make sure you watch it because I did curl it. Y'all, I love this wig. You hear me? This wig is a whole vibe. I just love it. It's perfect for the summertime. I will say it is big head friendly. Of course, the color, beautiful. I got a lot of shedding, but I did a whole lot of plucking. So, but I also got a lot of shedding right out the box, as I showed you guys in the beginning. So I would say that she is definitely a shedder. It's not an easy beginner-friendly wig. I'm going to tell y'all that right off the jump. So this wig, and you'll see back when I did it a couple years ago, this wig ain't no joke. Like, you're going to have to put some work in on her to get her just right. Can you wear her glueless? Yes, you can, but in my opinion, she looks better laid. You guys, also this unbrush, oh my God, if you don't know about this, first of all, where you been? Because it's all over social media. But this is so awesome on wigs as well as your natural hair. If you have little kids that are, how we used to say back in the day, tender-headed, or if you yourself are tender-headed, you want this brush. My grandbaby loves this brush. Like, she is tender-headed, and so is my youngest daughter, but my grandbaby loves this brush, and so do I. So I'm telling you, this is such an awesome detangler, and it's great for wigs. So I will leave the link, my Amazon link, for you to purchase in the description box. Make sure you, if you don't have one of these, I'm telling you, it don't seem like nothing. It's like it's plastic, hard plastic. But when I tell y'all it do the job, it do the job. So make sure, please, please, please go back and watch that video. I'll leave a link at the end of this video, as well as a card up here, and I'll leave it in the description box. I think that's pretty much it. I am so happy to be back. You guys, I'm going to be making a video sharing my whole travel nurse experience and telling you why I decided to come back home and kind of give it a break for now. I'm trying to get everything back together, working on my studio. I'm going to be switching that up eventually, but I'm also going to be starting a new job here soon. So I just got so much to share with you. I can't wait to tell you about everything that's gone on and that's going on. So make sure that you are subscribed. You got your notification bell set to all so that you don't miss any of the tea. If you guys have any questions for me, please go ahead and hit me with those in the comments, and then I can answer those on another video. If you have any travel nursing type of questions, let me know, and I'll try to get those answered, as well as any wig questions that you have. I have so many units to review for you guys. I really thought I was going to be able to do a lot more on the road, but y'all, when I tell y'all I was busy, oh my God, it was so much and so emotional, just like being out there in them streets by yourself and trying to do a whole job. It was just a lot. We'll talk about it. All right, guys, I love you to pieces. I pray that you're blessed, and I'm going to get going, and I will see you guys on the next video, okay? This is Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. Bye, guys. I'll talk to you soon.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the